Hi crafters, this is the Crafting Chef bringing you another tutorial on behalf of Sub, This, and That, home of the monthly sublimation box. In today's tutorial, I'm working from our January 2025 box titled Love Connection. See the description box down below for all the items included in this box. Today I am sublimating this 17-ounce latte mug. Valentine's Day is just around the corner and this is perfect. As you saw earlier, I lightly sprayed a cloth and wiped down the mug with alcohol. This is my equivalent to doing a lint roll with fabric. Now I'm just adding tape to the sides of my image to help me line it up and tape it down more easily onto the latte mug. I'm not going to do a full wrap, but I'm just going to put an image on one side. So you can do one side, both sides, or a full wrap on the latte mug. Just make sure that you have a template that is specifically needed to do a full wrap on a 17-ounce latte mug. I am going to sublimate this in my convection oven. So after taping down the design, I'm also going to cover this with a piece of copy paper. I'm not using shrink wrap today, so I only want to cover where my image is. And you could actually cover the full latte mug if you're not using shrink wrap. If you're using a tumbler press, you only have to place a sheet of copy paper or butcher paper down in your tumbler press to protect your plate. If using a convection oven, you want to press this at 400 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. If you're using a tumbler press, it's 360 degrees for 180 to 240 seconds. So I've taken it out of the convection oven, and make sure that you use a heat glove or a towel to protect your hands because the mug will still be hot. It is ceramic, so it does hold heat. Let's unwrap it and see what it looks like. Voila, so pretty. The secret ingredient is love. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.